Hey guys, it's Video Tech Dude, and in this video I am going to unbox the SR9040 Bipolar surround speaker. And this speaker, like it says, is meant for surround or more of a side speaker. This would not be usually used as like a right or left, but more on the side or on the back of the room. You might be able to use this as a Dolby Atmos height speaker by mounting it more towards the ceiling, but it's not recommended for this speaker. I do have some videos on Dolby Atmos speakers, and they will be in the description down below and possibly at the end of this video, so keep that in mind. Let's unbox the speaker, but first we have some stats on the top right here. We have two 3.5 inch second generation BDSS mid-range drivers, whatever that means. And then we have two 1 inch pure aluminum dome tweeters, tuned port, bass venting, built-in wall mounting hardware, and ideal for side or rear surround channels, like I said. And then it has the same thing in Spanish, I believe. And this is made by Definitive Technology. I have not heard too much about Definitive Technology, but the speaker is pretty heavy, so that usually means it's pretty good quality. Not 100% of the time, but it's a good indicator. But let's whip out the knife and open up this box. Okay, looking good. And then we have a manual right here. It's pretty large. It's featuring the 9080 speaker, which is the bigger version of this one. So that's something to look into, I guess. And then we got some styrofoam on top. Just pop that off. And then right here we have the speaker itself, and that's really all that is in the box. We'll just undo this. I'm going to use the knife for the tape. And there's a nice gloss finish on the top right here, which looks pretty nice. And I'm sure it will attract fingerprints, but I mean, you shouldn't be touching it too often. Awesome. So right here we have the speaker itself, and these grills come off nice and easy and very soft, so it doesn't feel like you're breaking anything when you take it off, unlike some other speakers. And the drivers look pretty interesting. I have not seen this shape before. This is actually hard. This doesn't even move, which I'm kind of surprised by. And then we have the tweeter up here, which I'm glad it has a little protective plastic over. That's pretty nice. And it's the same thing on the other side, but flipped upside down. So it's pretty interesting. And with this, there's dipolar and bipolar. This is bipolar. So the sound more merges around to create a more wider sound, but with the dipole, which is not this one, it more separates the sound into two different directions. So that's pretty interesting. I feel like this would be very good for rear, and that'll probably be what I use it for, is a rear kind of satellite speaker for home theater. I don't imagine putting these in cars or something. That's not really what they're meant for, but you know, you could always try it out. Let me know in the comments down below, you know what I'm saying? On the back side of the speaker, we have a mounting area right here for like a screw or whatever you'd like to mount it on. And this speaker is heavy, like I mentioned, so you want to make sure that whatever you mount this on is steady and is in an actual stud, unlike just like drywall or something. So that's something to keep in mind. These contact points right here are pretty nice. They feel nice and high quality, and they have the little hole in there to put the wire through, and then you can screw down on it. And we have like the serial number in here and all of that. So that is that. And on the bottom is also glossy as well. I hope this video helped you get a quick look on the speaker right here, the SR9040, to see kind of what it looks like and if it's for you. And I will be letting you know how it is. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments down below, and you can also check out my other videos on speakers on either the end of this video or in the description down below. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good day.